Welcome friends to VG Creativity World. Today I am showing how to do Algerian eye stitch. For that you can see I have drawn 3 parallel lines. So now first step, from one corner first I will do diagonally stitch, but when I am putting the needle down I will just put down like this, see, like this. So first go diagonally, see, then come here, put the needle down, then here, then again put the needle down, means every time we have to put the needle down. So this I have done diagonally. Now I will make the plus like this. So I will put the needle down, I will come here like this, again I will put the needle down in this center like this, again put the needle down and come to here. Means once you will go diagonally, that is your choice, either you can go diagonally or with plus sign. See, if I will start from here, now I will leave little gap, see, like this. So plus also we can go, or see, like this also we can move. So now I am going plus sign, see, like this, like this, like this, then go cross, that is diagonally, see, like this. Every time we have to put the needle in the center, see, like this, then put in the center. So you will get the 6 strokes, see, like this, and again in the center. Again I am leaving some gap, see, like this. We can make continuous also. Again center. So first I am making now plus sign, like this, like this, like this, then here center. Every time we have to go from border to center, see, like this. Now plus sign. Now I am going diagonally, see, like this. So like this, or cross, first plus then cross, like this, like this, like this, every time, but get inside the center. From border you have to go to the center, and this is known as Algerian eye stitch. See, again I will show one more, see, like this. It looks beautiful. Okay, again see, I will do first plus. Every time we have to go in the center, like this, then here, then like this, then here. Now I will go cross or diagonally, like this. So again like this, like this, like this, put inside here, and so you will get total 6 strips. Okay, here little gap, means I put the needle little ahead only, so I am just doing the correction. See. Okay, one more I will show last. See, first we have to go either plus sign or cross sign. Okay, so do it quickly like this, see, every time, but put the needle in the center, like this, like put in the center. So first I made now plus, see, now this is plus, then I am going diagonally, See, plus sign. Now diagonally or cross. Put in the center like this, like this. So put in the center and come here like this. See, and put in the center. See, this is our Algerian eye stitch, which looks beautiful, as well as when it is we can use for border line of any dress material, whatever it is, neckline also. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.